Hey guys, so today we are back for a surprise video. I didn't expect this either, but hey ho. Today we are going to be opening another box of Kazoom Power Mission. SuperThings Kazoom Power Mission specifically. I'm not going to dwell on this too long. You've got Targeting and Dare Dart on the front along with Press K. Looking nuts as usual. Win Williams and Juice on the side along with Press K. Technical information, legal jargon. And Stomper and Banana. They're back! Anyways, yeah, let's just get into it, shall we? So, yes, my mum very kindly bought me these for finishing my sets. Because I'm in year 6. So, yeah. Anyways, let's go. So, this box is like bursting. Now, the first pack. Ooh, this feels a bit like a Maleficate, however, I doubt that. Oh, it's, what you called it? Not Snackster. Breadhead, that's it. But I think it's one word. Yes, there we go. Very good. That's a new one. We'll quickly go over the checklist. This is the playset checklist. So, on this side, you have, like, the Kazoom kits and the action packs and the vehicles, the nameless vehicles. And on this side you've got the Ultra Strikers, the Bite Attack and the Mr. King truck. Now of course it is mirrored for you, but well, I think I should show you. Anyways, next. You have to open these upside down, it's weird. This one's quite chunky. Oh, it's Wondershine. We've got our first repeated character of the series. So in case you don't know what I mean, it's where they've made the character in the original series and have now brought them back. So, Wondershine. Is this a different checklist? Yes, it is. The only other checklist, to my knowledge. So on this side, you've got these characters, including Professor K. And on this side, you've got these characters. Right, I'm not showing you any more checklists. Let's just get on with it, shall we? Checklist. Oh, I see Crystal. Oh, it's Juice. Oh, his tennis racket's on fire. Which is quite strange, but I like it. Yeah, look at that. That's cool. First Crystal, also new. Oh, this one's very flat. I feel like I've definitely felt this before. Dun 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 dun. No, I haven't. Oh, what happened there? This is Bookworm. What happened to his eye? I don't know. That's interesting. Over there they go. I might bring the box on camera slightly. So, no, I'm putting it back. Next. Do I have you in this colour? I'm not sure. I think this is Jimmy Jam. I'm gonna go with. I don't think I have them in that colour. That's what I'm going with. Have a quick feel for funsies. Don't know. So, this hasn't released in the UK, that's why I'm not too familiar on the shapes of the characters. Oh, yes, this is Hot in green. He reminds me a bit like of Count Delara. It's supposed to be a vampire, but I feel like that one looks more like a vampire when it's not designed to be. Also looks like that scrapped SuperThings from Series 12. Anyways, let's go. Next. Checklist. Ooh, this feels quite big. Might be another Bookworm. Oh no, it's come on. Is it? No, it's not Traffic Master. That's from Series 9. Wait me a second. Mighty Traffic. Yeah, I wouldn't have thought of that in a while. Next. Who are we going to get? Hopefully not rare. However, I haven't on my first unboxing ever. Oh, this is Crazy Jet. I do have Crazy Jet, but not in this colour. So far that's going well. Oh, this is very flat. I think this is Targeting. That's what I'm going for. If it is Targeting, let's hope it's Targeting in blue. Oh, no, it's not. It's, once again, I don't know. There he is. Get a nice view of him. Just looks like Barry Blocker again. Come on, anytime today. You're not on that side. Slow down. There we go. Right, this one's escaped the box. Maybe it's trying to tell me something. Or it's not. Let's find out. Feels sort of like very flat, this one. Ooh, is this... Ooh. Oh, it's Jinx. Oh, that is cool. It's a cracked mirror. I like that. We're getting a lot of crystals. I wonder if that's our crystals used up now. I hope not. Right then. Let's go. Over goes the checklist. Oh, head beats. Another new one. This is going quite well. Knock on wood. Anyways, come on, what's that? There we go. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Let's just open it. Oh, Magneticus. Oh, yeah, I like his cape there. Got a good, wavy thing. I can't think of another word. I haven't. Over you all go. Get out the camera. This one's very big. I don't know. Could be Professor K. However, I doubt that. Oh no, it's black coffee spelt with a K. Because, of course it is. That's our first silver of the bunch. So we could get a gold if we're lucky. And if we're very lucky, we could get 2 more silvers. However, I doubt that. Let's see. Oh, it's a gold! Which is sort of unfortunate, because now I'm going to have to automatically get 2 of this when I buy the action pack to get the exclusive vehicles. So, yay. This is super surprise. That's it. Oh, he's got his bows as his cape. That's creative. Next. No, don't know. Next. Dun 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 dun. Oh, it's Lucky O'Green, who is rivals with... Can I find them? Yes, Jinx. So they can battle or something. Lucky O'Green is also a returning character. They've made Lucky O'Green a lot thinner. They've also got the number 777 on their cape. Also have luck written on their cape alongside 2 clovers. Ah, goodbye. Out comes the checklist. Right, I haven't got too many more. Yeah, this is quite big. Oh, it's Lockdown. I thought Lockdown would be like the original and quite thin, but no, that's quite thick compared to the original. Did not expect that. Right, I'm not very good at this, am I? Head beats I'm going, I don't know. Why is this one so far down? The tear thing. Whee! Oh, it's Max Peel. Once again, I have Max Peel, but not in this colour. So far, no duplicates. Don't know. I do feel like I felt it before, though. I felt so many super things, though. I don't know anymore. Oh, Pointy. They have kept the, nail... The thing you have on the top of nails. I think... Who was it that had that? I think Nail Lord did. I think Nailed It did. Was there another Nail? Lord Twister's a screw. I don't know anymore. There's too many super things. There's over 1,000. Like 500. I estimate around 600 characters because of alternate colours. But hey ho. Oh, they've fallen out once again. New colour. Count Delabra. Very candelabra-y. Right, I think we've got 6 more. That should not take me that long to do. So again, this sort of feels like Professor K as well. I highly doubt it is though. No, that's not Professor K. It is, however, Plantastic. Another new one. Ha ha ha. In fact, here's an idea. Where is he? This idea may not come to fruition. This probably looks very... Yeah, this does look very strange on camera. No, I don't know where Lucky O'Green is. Obviously, we're going to have to can't find him. I'll find him eventually. Yeah. Let's see. You're very big. Dun 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 dun. Who is it? Oh, it's Snackster. You cannot see now. Okay. So, lunchbox. Goodbye. A checklist packet. Right, I really don't have much to say. Oh, I see red and blue. Oh, this is, the pineapple person, TM. It's not Tropic Thunder, no, that's not right. I read the checklist smaller. Where are you? Come on, where are you? Show yourself. They're in yellow. Here we are. Tropical. I thought it was that, but I thought, no, that's the name of something else. It's not, it turns out. Right, this is taking 10 minutes, and I may run out of storage space soon. So, yeah, I should probably finish this quickly. Let's see. Oh, I see, oh, it's Perfection. Once again, new colour. Dun, 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 dun. Just get that all over there. Yes, Perfection in green. I just need to speak properly. Right, 2 more. All of them feel like Professor K. This is going to be a nightmare to find in the UK. When they release it. Oh, it's Hydrator, but in blue. Once again, new colour. Not new Super Zing, but in new colour, so sort of new Super Zing. Makes a bit more sense than the yellow coloration. Right, the final one. Yeah, I don't know. It's quite a weird shape. But I'm going to open it the right way this time. I see orange. Oh, the only duplicate, of course. Blam. For some reason has Slam written on him. Why is he so sticky? It's weird. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this rather spontaneous video. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye, guys!